is a video for Ian. We spent 2 hours on the
On a
bus.
very, very bumpy bus.
We managed to find out the building
It doesn't look anything like it did.
because they painted it maybe about 30 years ago.
And it's all wrapped up in sheeting, you can't get in.
Yeah. However, there is a pretty waterfall.
Then you
And it
have to
smells.
hold your breath.
And there's nothing else here apart from countryside. Oh yeah, all these down the side of the road as well, hanging off the edge. It does look very pretty, I must admit. Anyway, we made it here. Bye.